Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create Valentine's Day videos in FlexClip, which is a video creation app powered by AI. So I'm logged into my FlexClip account. This is the home page. I'll go to the template section in the left side panel. And if I scroll down, you'll see this Valentine's Day section. I'll click on See All, and it will display all of the Valentine's Day templates. As you can see, these are just a few of them. So let me just scroll back up. And if I hover my mouse over a specific template, as I'm doing right now, you'll see a quick preview of that specific template. And if you click on the template, it will open a section like this one. You can choose the aspect ratio, horizontal, vertical, or square. I'll choose the vertical 9:16 aspect ratio option, and then I'll click on AI Recreate. It'll bring you to this section. We'll need to upload your images. You can drag and drop them right here, like so. And it does not need to be like with a green screen background. These are just with a green screen, but it does not have to be. Then click on Generate, and it's going to use up 28 AI credits in this case. It'll then start processing the video, so just give it a few seconds, and it will then open the FlexClip video editor. As you can see in the timeline below, there are two scenes in this template, and you can use this play button to preview the video. And then place the playhead at a position so that you can edit the template. For example, here you can see that there is a text box, and you can use this button here to zoom in, and then click on the text box and then edit it like so. In this case, there were 3 text boxes. You can then click this section and then give it a project name and then hit enter to save it. And then once you're happy with it, you can click the export button. And from this pop-up, you can choose the resolution. I'll go with 720p and then click on export. It will then start rendering the MP4 video. This can take a few minutes. In many cases, it takes about a couple of minutes, and that depends on the template. Then you can check the browser downloads folder for the video. And you can click this back to edit button to go back to the video editor in case you need to edit it again. And here's how the video came out. This one is a short template, and you can find many different templates. FlexClip is running a limited time Valentine's Day special sale, and you can get up to 25% off. You can use these codes as shown here, and you will find the link in the description section. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.